Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, it's the night before the Bimmer Invasion in Orlando, and hey, we're all packed up, ready to go. We have a ton of folks who are going to be up there tomorrow in Orlando for Bimmer Invasion, and hey, if you're out and about, come on by and check us out. There'll be 1,000 BMWs, literally 1,000 BMWs gathered of all makes, all sizes, and all designs. So it should be a really good show. This is our first year, Florida SunCoast first year here doing a sponsorship for the Invasion, and we're just loving it. We're going to be there with the Performance Center. We're also going to be there with the M chapter. So come on out, say hello to us, and join the fun. Hey, today is also, when you're seeing this, Friday morning, today is the final day to register for the big show, British, Italian, German car show in Cape Coral, the first Sunday in March. But today is the final day for registration, so get signed up. We already have, I think there's probably 20 or so BMWs already signed up for it. It's a great show, great venue. The trophies are just absolutely remarkable. So come on out and be a part of that. I know I've seen the list of signups so far, and we have cars in all different classes. So go online. The link is there on our chapter on the calendar page. Go sign up the 17th. No registration the day of the show, absolutely not. Today will be the final day, so go ahead and get your registration in and come be a part of that. Hey, I'm real proud of just a couple of expansions. We just held a couple of morning breakfast, Sunday morning breakfast in our Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte area. John Schneider has put together a couple of Sunday morning events. One on the top of the Wyvern Hotel there, sort of a sun-up breakfast. And then just this past week at Austin's. So John has really opened up that Port Charlotte area. I think we had 30, couple of the first out, 20 or 25 the second outing. Really great show. Hey, up in the Ocala villages and Gainesville area, Mary Beth Culver, our new area governor up there, just put on a really great show this past Sunday. And we had a ton of folks out for cars and coffee at the Whole Foods, which is like a farmer's market kind of setting. So a ton of folks out there came by and saw her. The dealership was out, gave us a little splash on their website as well. A lot of things happening. If you haven't seen it already, it might be on this link. Check out the Bimmer Life this week. We're featured in part of the article about the Bimmer Invasion. Didn't mean to back up, but check out the article in Bimmer. And hey, thanks to Mike Bevel, who's the author editor for that Bimmer Life article. And Mike, we really appreciate you, man. Thanks for giving us some shine there. We really do appreciate that. And we're going to come up and make it a really cool event. Hope to see you there. Over in the Panhandle, Justin and Corey, Courtney, and then in Tallahassee, John, and then down in the Forgotten Coast area now, Chris. All those guys are putting together programs for the Panhandle, Tallahassee, and West areas. So if you're members and you're seeing this, sign up through the website. Get your name on the RSVP list. Come on out. We're trying to put together drives and meetups and tech sessions, but we've got to have folks that come out and respond. So come on out and join us. Let me take a few minutes to talk about the Facebook account that we have. So we've got Facebook for Florida SunCoast BMW members. It's a members only. It's a place where you can go in, talk to members, find out about things, ask questions, do meetups on your own, picnics in your backyard, whatever the case may be. But it's a great way to talk to the members where we haven't had a platform to do that. Now we have FSC Facebook, and you can do that. And then when you do your RSVPs, it goes right back into the website, and you can do your RSVP in one shot. Both are linked together, so it really helps us out in planning and those kind of things. So take advantage of that. Not only do you have to look at the website, but you can do the Facebook as well. Talk to other members. You got questions, you can put them up there. You got questions. You got things you want to do, impromptu get-togethers. It'll be on your. It'll not be an FSC event necessarily if you do an impromptu because of liability and insurance, but members can meet members and go do things. That's what it's all about. It's about creating that lifestyle membership kind of thing, so get that done. So a lot of things happening. Check out as always, go to the calendar, check out the RSVPs down below. Thank you to everybody that comes out and supports us. We certainly do appreciate that. As we like to say, man, if you're sitting on the sofa, you're wasting time. come on out and join us. Happy motoring, everybody. See you next time. Bye now.